So tonight's video is about Hulk, who of course is the big green fella, and his partner is Saphira. Hulk is actually younger than Saphira, quite a bit younger actually, but they liked each other from the start. And of course Aragon wasn't feeling so hot when he first came to be with me. So, then Hulk came into play, and then Princess Sue came into play. So they're still getting used to me, and I'm getting used to them. Such a vibrant green. I use vibrant a lot lately. I must change that. Such a rich green he is. And then she's got that light kind of oh my, like almost like a steel blue, steel gray blue, and then of course the yellow head. But they're doing really great. Lots of kissing and lots and lots of kissing and cuddling. So, thought I'd do a little video of them. And they're enjoying being out. I'm kind of surprised that they haven't gone over to the Budgies or anything, but uh-oh. But I guess that's because, what you doing over here? Oh, okay. You got something on your face. Hulk, you got something on your face. Aw, that's so sweet. Yeah, yeah. He is almost as big as she is. And like I said, there is an age difference. So it will be very exciting to see how big he gets. And because he's so big now, that's how he got the name Hulk. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. She is fascinated with other people's nest boxes, which in a lot of ways I don't understand that, because they have their own. Yeah, you guys have your own. Why are you so fascinated with everybody else's? Huh? Oh, she's being very sweet. Kind of watching what's going on, not getting upset. Yeah, yeah. And Hulk's scoping the area out. What else can I say about him? I love her little sky blue down by her face. I think that is really pretty. And of course, her light yellow head. Yeah. And yes, you are, oh, my wallpaper that needs to come down. You are hearing Mr. Gray and Clarabelle in the background, although I have their cage covered and I'm trying to prevent eggs being laid. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do, but we gotta figure something out. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Ooh, did you see that? That was Cecil. Cecil. Yeah. Wow. See, so you're being protective of her. I don't think you might be. Oh no, the dogs are barking. Yes, they are out together, but I'm keeping a close eye. No one get upset. I think I'm going to have to end this video because somebody's here and it might be a visitor. It could be Mr. Dumont. It could be someone wanting to play with birdies. So I'll be back later, and my Facebook, if you want to friend me, is Kiku and Hoshi Dumont, and I do ship birds, and we'd love for you to follow my flock's progress. Thanks for watching.